Hi students, welcome to my channel. This is the first class of problems part of your electromagnetic induction chapter. Here, say what they given in the first problem. A square loop of side 10 centimeter they given. Yes, one square loop of side 10 centimeter means the given way we are going to write. Given side means L will be how much? 10 centimeter. L 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means how much? 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter. 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay, I am going to convert it to SI. Side, square loop of side 10 centimeter they given now. What will be the area? Area means what? L square. Area again directly. Find out the area L square. L square means how? 10 square means 100. 10 power minus 2 square means 10 power minus 4 meter square. We got the area. Next, and the resistance how much? 0.5 ohm. Resistance they given R. R will be 0.5 ohm. Next, is placed vertically in east-west plane. Means the loop is placing east-west plane. For example, this is the east-west plane they are placing. Next, a uniform magnetic field of 0.1 Tesla is set up across the plane in north-east direction. This will be east-west plane, east-west. Otherwise, I am going to take east-west plane. This will be east direction, this will be west direction. The uniform magnetic field is set up in north-east direction. This will be north and this will be south. No, north-east direction means like this they are placing. Means theta is how much? 45 degree. This is important. Magnetic field is set up at an angle 45 degree to the plane. Just now 45 degree to the plane. Theta will be 45 degree. Next, the magnitude of the magnetic field is decreased to 0. Means initially it will be how much? 0.1 Tesla. Initially it will be 0.1 Tesla. Decreased to how much? 0. Decreased to 0. Means change in magnetic field dB. dB is how much? 0.1 Tesla in a time interval how much? 0.7 seconds. 0.7 seconds means dt is 0.7. Now we have to find out what? Induced EMF. Yes, now we have to find out the induced EMF and what? Current we have to find out. We have to find out the EMF and current. Now, what's the formula to find out induced EMF? According to Faraday's second law or Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, E is equal to d pi by dt. E is equal to d pi by dt. When E is equal to d pi by dt, pi means what? LBA cos theta. LBA cos theta divided by dt. Constant terms I am going to take outside the differentiation. Means N is number of terms constant. Area is also constant. Cos theta. Only is what? Magnetic field is changing. dB divided by dt. dB divided by dt. When I am going to substitute the value, here square loop, only one loop is there. Number of terms is how much? N will be 1. When I am going to substitute here, N is 1. Area is 100 into 10 power minus 4. Area is 100 into 10 power minus 4. Cos theta. Theta means cos 45. Cos 45 means 1 by root 2. dB is how much? dB is 0.1. And dt is how much? 0.7. Yes, sir. dt is 0.7. When I am going to substitute the values, how much will get induced EMF? Induced EMF, it will be 0.1009 into 10 power minus 2 volt. Yes, sir. 10 power minus 2 volt. Clear? Yes, sir. Simple calculation. According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, E is equal to d pi by dt. Pi is what? NBA cos theta. I am going to write NBA cos theta. Constants I am going to take outside the differentiation. Means N and A are the NA cos theta are the constant. So only magnetic field is varying dB. dB because it's varying from 0.1 to 0 Tesla. That's why dB in 0.7 seconds. Yes, in 0.7 seconds. After everything substitution, you will get EMF. It will be 0.1109 into 10 power minus 2 volt. Now we have to find out induced current. Induced current. We have to find out the induced current is what? According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V means what? Potential. Potential means what? EMF only. E is equal to IR. I is equal to what? E by R. We have to find out I means I is equal to E by R. E is how much? 0.1009 into 10 power minus 2 divided by R is how much? 0.5. Means when you are going to substitute here, how much you will get? 0.2002018. 0.2018 into 10 power minus 2. Unit is what for current? Ampere. Unit for current will be ampere. This is the part what? Solution for the first problem. Clear? Clear? Okay, come to the next problem. A circular coil of radius 10 centimeter. Radius is how much? Given radius R is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter. And 500 tons. N is how much? Number of tons? 500. As a resistance of 2 ohm, capital R. How much? 2 ohm resistance. 2 ohm is placed with its plane perpendicular to the horizontal component of earth magnetic field. Perpendicular to the horizontal component of earth magnetic field means plane is perpendicular, area vector is parallel. Keep in mind, plane is perpendicular to the magnetic field means area vector will be parallel. Means parallel means what? Theta will be 0. Theta will be 0 and it is rotated about its vertical diameter through 180 degree means is rotated through 180 degree means theta 1 will be 0, theta 2 will be 180 degree. 180 degree in 0.25 seconds dt change in time. How much? 0.25 seconds. Estimate the magnitude of the EMF and current induced. Estimate the magnitude of the EMF and current. Yes, EMF and current in a magnetic field. How much? B is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 5 Tesla. Yes or no? Okay. Now we have to find out the flux. Okay. Induced EMF E means what? D pi by dt. Yes or no? D pi by dt. Here we have to find out the pi means d pi means first what we have to do? We have to find out pi 1 and we have to find out pi 2. Okay, pi 1 and pi 2 separately we have to find out. Pi 1 we have to find out means what? Pi 1 means NBA cos theta 1. NBA cos theta 1. Here pi 2 means NBA cos theta 2. NBA cos theta 2. Okay. Here pi 1 means N means how much? N means how much? 500. B means how much? 3 into 10 power minus 5. 3 into 10 power minus 5. 3 into 10 power minus 5. Area means pi r square. Listen, area means pi r square. Pi r square. Pi means what? 3.14. Here area pi r square. Pi r square. 3.14 into r is 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Theta 1 means how much? Cos 0. Cos 0 will be 1. Cos 0. Now when you are going to multiply all these things, 500 into 3 into 3.14 into 10 square means 100 into cos 0. Yes, 100 into cos 0. How much you will get? 47.13. 47.13 into 10 power minus 5 Weber will get. You should multiply all these things. Here it should be square. 10 square means 100. 10 power minus 2 square means 10 power minus 4. This is pi 1. Next we have to find out pi 2. Pi 2 means what? NBA cos theta 2. Pi 2 means NBA cos theta 2. Again, N means what? 500 into 3 into 10 power minus 5. 3 into 10 power minus 5 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole square into cos 180. Theta 2 is how much? 180 degree. Theta 2 is 180. Cos 180 means minus 1. Again when we are going to multiply, same terms only, but cos 180 is minus 1 means pi 2 will get minus 47.3 into 10 power minus 5 Weber. Okay, here d pi means what? Pi 1 minus pi 2. Yes, no, d pi change in flux means what? Pi 1 minus pi 2. E is equal to d pi means pi 1 minus pi 2 divided by dt. Pi 1 minus pi 2 means what? This plus 47 minus of minus 47 plus 47 minus of minus 47. How much you will get? Yes, no, plus minus of minus, how much you will get? 94.26. 94.26 into 10 power minus 5. This will be Weber only. Divided by dt is how much? Time interval 0.25 seconds. 0.25 seconds. Now when I am going to substitute 94 divided by 0.25, how much you will get? 377.4. Yes, no, 377.4 into 10 power minus 5 volt. Now we have to find out current. Current I is equal to E by R. E means 377.4 into 10 power minus 5 divided by R is 2. 377 divided by 2. Yes, no, 377 divided by 2 means how much? 188.5 into 10 power minus 5 ampere. Minus 5 ampere. Simple. Everything will be constant. Only angle is changing from 0 to 180 degree. Yes or no? 0 to 180 degree means first we have to find out pi 1 and we have to find out pi 2. Pi 1 means NBA cos theta 1. Pi 2 means NBA cos theta 2. After substituting, we will get pi 1 and pi 2. Yes or no? We will get pi 2 and pi 1 and pi 2. Then change in flux means pi 1 minus pi 2. Pi 1 minus pi 2 divided by dt ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ EMF ಬರುತ್ತೆ. EMF by resistance when you are going to substitute, we will get current. Yes or no? We will get current. This is what solution for the second problem. Clear? Okay, come to the next problem. Chandan pedals a stationary bicycle and the pedals of bicycle are attached to a 500 tons. Means number of tons N is how much? 500. Sorry, 100. Number of tons is how much? 100. Okay, attached to a number of tons 100 of coil of area 0.1 meter square. Area is given 0.1 meter square. Area is 0.1 meter square. The coil rotates at half revolution per second. Half revolution per second. Frequency means what? Number of revolutions per second. Yes, no, frequency means number of revolutions per second. Here they given half revolution per second. This is important in this problem. Half revolution per second ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ meaning frequency. Frequency means number of revolutions per second. Half revolution per second means half by 1 means how much? 0.5 hertz. Frequency is 0.5 hertz. Is placed in a uniform magnetic field. B is equal to how much? 0.01 Tesla. Magnetic field is placed perpendicular to the axis of rotation. What is the maximum voltage generated? Yes or no? What is the maximum voltage generated? Means already we know in AC generator the EMF induced in an AC generator E is equal to what? NAB omega into sin theta. NAB into omega into sin theta means sin theta or sin omega t. Or for maximum, for E max, sin theta is equal to what? 1. Maximum induced EMF it will be sin theta will be 1 because already we know sin value is from 0 to 1. Sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1. Sin value is plus 0 to 1. Maximum at only when sin 90 will be 1 means E is equal to what? NAB omega. NAB omega. N means how much? When you are going to substitute 100. Area is how much? 0.1. B is how much? 0.01. Omega. Omega means 2 pi f. Omega. Here they didn't give the omega value. They give frequency. Omega is 2 pi f. When you are going to substitute here, 2 into pi means what? 3.14. F is how much? 0.5. When I am going to calculate, means multiply all the things. Yes, sir. When you are going to multiply all the things, how much you will get? 0.3142 volt. Yes, sir. 0.3142 volt. Clear? Yes, sir. In this problem, you have to remember the formula. Maximum EMF induced in an AC generator, E is equal to NAB omega into sin theta. For maximum EMF, how much? Sin theta is equal to 1. Because of what? Sin value is varies from 0 to 1. When the coil starts rotates from 0 to 90 degree, it will be maximum EMF at 90 degree, minimum EMF at 0 degree. Clear? When you are going to multiply, we will get 0.3142. Clear?